Hello, Kwa. Good evening. Good
Hello,
evening.
teacher.
Hello. Good evening, Kwa, and welcome to our class for today. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Wow. And you're not busy today?
Yes.
You're not busy now. Okay. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know. So, today we will have our new lesson. So, are you ready to start our lesson for today?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. So, can you please read what is our lesson all about today? Can you read? What's
In
our
Unit,
Mhm.
Unit 13, my study in childhood.
Okay, thank you so much. So, Unit 13, my study in childhood. So, last time, we talked about childhood. So, as per childhood, when we say childhood, Kwa. So childhood is, or the memories that we had when we are still a child. And for our lesson for today, so we will talk about your study. So what are the things that you studied in your childhood? So we will talk about all of those things in our lesson for today. So before Kwa, what's your favorite subject in your childhood?
Is is math.
Oh, it's math. Wow, that's good to know. Don't you like English?
You
You don't like English?
know, I like English.
You like English. Wow, that's good to know. So those are the things that we will learn for today. So again, for our lesson objectives, we have vocabulary, phrases, reading, and discussion. So let's start first with our vocabulary. So speaking of your favorite subject in your childhood, what subject is this?
Math.
Math. Very good. This is math. So when we say math, Kwa, what is this subject? What are the things that we can expect in this subject?
You can learn
Mhm.
the number.
Very good. So for math or mathematics, so we can learn numbers because this is a subject about numbers, shapes, and calculations. So can you tell teacher, what are the calculations that you know in mathematics? What are the cal-
H
Mhm. What are the calculations that you know or the formulas? Do you know addition, subtraction, multiplication? Do you know all of these things in
what
math? Addition,
can you
addition.
write it?
Huh?
Can you write it?
Ah, okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Do you know these terms?
Yes.
Yeah. So what do we mean by addition?
Is the one addition one, and we got two.
Okay. So it's one. It's like one plus one. So what's the symbol? What's the symbol? Symbol that we use in addition. Is it this one, or this one? What's the symbol?
Is number three.
Okay, very good. Because this one, when we say addition, so from the word itself, add. So we add numbers. Like for example, 1 plus 1. So it's equals 2. Okay. How about since you told teacher that your favorite subject is math. Can you Tell teacher what is 120 plus 190. It's plus one
Is
hundred.
290.
Huh?
290.
Really? 120 plus 190. Okay, let's start
Uh,
first.
is 310.
Very good. It's 310 because you're,
Teacher,
yes, yes.
this number is 7.
Oh, this one is 9. Not 7. 7 is like this, 7. Or like this, 7. It's 9. So I just can't write it uh well because I'm using a mouse. But it's 9. Okay. Very good. So 310. And when we say subtraction, wow, what is subtraction?
Is
It's
uh apart from
it's
apart from
apart from? Huh? Apart from this one?
him
Uh,
is similar decrease.
oh, very good. It's similar to decrease. The word is decrease because when we say subtraction, we are doing minus. So we are decreasing numbers. So very good. Like for example, so 1 minus 1 is 0. And how about 200 minus 190? Oh, this one's very easy. 200 minus 190. Very easy.
Is 10.
Okay, very good. It's 10. Okay, so that is how we do subtraction. How about multiplication? What do we mean by this?
Is
From the word multiplication. Multiplication.
similar double.
Yes, very good. It's similar to double or doubling numbers. So from the word itself, multiple. Okay, so let me just write. From the word itself, multiple, multiplication, or multiple, or multiply. So we multiply numbers, we double it, or we make it thrice. Like for example, 4 times 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, it is equals to, what is that?
Is 12.
Very good. It's 12. So we are doing multiplications. How about 200 times 100? Oh, so very easy. 200 times 100.
Is 20,000.
Okay, very good. It's 20,000. So I think one of the things that, what do you call that? One of the things that you can do, especially when multiplying numbers like this with 0, 0, 0. So for you to be able to make it faster, so you count the 0 numbers first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 0 numbers and 2 times 1. So it will be 20,000. So you will count the 0 numbers and that is it. So that's one trick to make multiplications for numbers with lots of zeros. How about division? From the word division, what do we do? Division. What is division? Hmm.
Is similar. Detach.
Similar to
Detach.
detach? This one?
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Really? Really? No. Ah, actually, yes, because detach means like separating things. But for this one, it can have a different meaning if we use detach, because we are like saying that we are disconnecting things. But for this one, we are dividing from the word itself, divvi. So we divide. We divide. What do you call that? We make things or make numbers into parts. Like for example, so we have 100 divided by 10. So how many tens we can make with 100? How many? The
We
answer will be
we can have 10.
very good. So we can have 10. So we are just making it like part by part. But for this one, I don't really like the subject math because it's hard, especially in my what do you call that? In my course, in my program psychology, the mathematics is very hard because you are applying mathematics to statistics to people. So very hard. Okay. So very good. Let's move on to our next subject. What subject is this?
Literature.
Okay, again, let's read this one again. Let's say literature.
Literature.
Okay, very good. It's literature, not literature. Okay. So when we say literature, wow, do you have any idea what literature is?
Is the subject we need to write. To
Very
write.
good. Very good. So this is like a writing subject because in literature it is mostly about stories. This subject is about stories, poems, or poems and books. Like for example, this one in this picture. So we have here literature is my best friend. So it is a book. So it consists of a subject that mostly about stories. It is a deep stories with deep meanings. Poems. When we say poems, do you know what poems are? Do you know what poems are?
What?
Do you know what poems is? This one? Are you familiar with poems? No? In literature? Do you have a literature subject?
Yes, yes.
Oh, yes. What do we mean by poem?
Is has
Hmm. Like, for
is
example,
that many
it has many?
current
What is current? How do you spell that? Many?
current
What current? This one? Current.
current.
Ah, this one? This word?
Yes. Yes.
Current? How do you describe current? How do you describe?
Here is here.
Ah, what do we call that? It has many, what do we call that? It's not current. Okay, so for that one, actually, that is not the main focus of poems. Because when we say poems, these are writings that uses rhythmic language, meaning, so, or meaning it has rhythm in its writing. Like, for example, let me have some poems here. Oh, one example here, this one. Okay, this. So let's have this example. So can you read this one, the first two sentence? See, see the bug.
The bug on the rock, I
Uh,
will give his legs a tug.
okay, very good. So we have your word rug and tug. So when we say poems, so it usually have rhyming words at the end. But if not, if those poems have or doesn't have rhyming words at the end of the sentence, so we call this figurative languages. So we use figurative languages. When we say
No,
figurative,
it's repetition.
huh?
Repetition.
Repeated,
Repeat.
huh?
Repetitions.
Repetitions. Oh, yes. Yes, that's right. Repetitions is the same or similar as rhyming words. So the words are being repeated. And also, we use figurative languages in poems, meaning, so the words mostly are deep or has deeper meanings than the word itself. So yeah, like for example, I have here some poems that
Teacher,
yes.
this is you.
Where?
Here.
Where?
Oh, here,
Ah,
here, here.
where? Let me go back. Ah, yeah. Yes, because that is my account. But I am black hair there. My hair is black.
Oh, your name is Aris May.
Yes, that's my name. That's my real name. Okay, like for example, this one. So we have here an example of poem that has deep language. So we have here purchase. Do you know what the word purchase means?
Oh, boy.
Purchase. It's very deep, right? So you need a very, very wide vocabulary when you read poems. Or if you are the person that likes poems, your vocabulary is very rich. Do you like poems?
Yes,
Kwa? Oh, really? You
but
like
I don't like
writing
genre.
poems? Oh yeah, because it's very hard to write. Uh,
And it make me and it make me
it,
uh
it makes you
tired hand.
oh your hand will get tired. Yeah.
And sometimes I must roll
Mm-hmm.
mm,
You must wrote.
wrote learning to prepare for the test.
Yes. Yes, that's correct.
It's very not fun and it's
Yes.
very beautiful difficult.
Yes, it's very difficult. I also don't like writing poems because it's very difficult if you don't like writing. I mostly like reading, not writing. Okay, so that is literature. So again, we have stories, poems, and books. Do you have a literature class? Kwa?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So,
Teacher,
that, yes.
before the test,
Mm-hmm.
I must wrote learning the long artist
Huh? What before the test?
article. Article.
Ah, you need to read long article before
Yes.
really? Why? Why do you need to read long article? Because it is about your tests?
It's about 4 page of paper.
Oh, it's in your literature subject.
Yes, uh,
And
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 and the paper has and on paper has 30 writing.
oh really? Thir-
Yes,
30 writers or
yes,
authors? Really?
yes. It's very long.
Oh, it's very long, huh? Oh, wow. That's why before literature is really not my favorite subject because you have to read a lot of things, especially you have to write. You have to review long stories. But it's very effective if you really want to learn English. So literature is one stepping stone or is one subject. Mhm. Is your literature in English subject? Huh?
Geography.
Your literature in English subject or Vietnamese? I mean English language or in Vietnamese language?
What?
Is your literature, let me write, is your literature subject in English language or in Vietnamese
What I
language?
what I prefer.
Hmm?
What I prefer.
What I prefer?
I prefer English language or Vietnamese language.
No, your literature subject.
No,
I,
I don't like both.
you don't have a literature. You don't like both language?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Why?
I like play.
You like to play?
Yes. I
Why?
want to be a international student, but
Student.
I don't like to study. I
Oh,
only like to study
why? You need to s-
math
you
and
need
science.
you need to study, especially when you are going to China. They are very strict with their education system. That's why you need to try hard. I know you can do it because you are a very smart student. I know you can do it. It's normal to be lazy or it's normal to not like studying. But I know you can do it. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next subject, Kwa. What subject is that?
Geography.
It's how do you read that again?
Geography.
Okay, one more time. Let's say geography. Geography.
Geography
Okay, very good. Do you have any idea what geography is?
is the uh place and the
Yeah, you can. Your description is right. You just need to expand it. It's right. It's about place. Yeah, geography is about place. Because as what we can see in the picture, do you know what is this? This one. This one.
yes
Yes, what do we call that? It's starts
map.
with very it's map. So that is why when we say geography from the word itself, geo means earth. Geo means earth. So geography is a subject that talks about places, talks about countries, maps, and especially earth. Okay, so that's it. So geography or geography. Um, do you have a geography subject right now?
No.
I know you still know. Okay. I think you will get this subject when you will be
Oh, yes,
you already have this subject?
yes. When I was in
Mhm.
grade 3.
Grade three. Oh, and do you like this subject?
No, 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 no.
No, you don't like.
No.
You don't like studying about countries, about the earth.
Yes, 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 I don't like.
Yeah, because it's very, very wide. Very wide. You need to study about spaces. You need to study about the continents. Do you know the continents?
Yes.
Uh, what is the biggest continent?
Is Asia.
Very good. Oh, okay. Again, let's say Asia, not Asia. Asia.
Asia.
Very good. So, yes, very good. It's Asia. So Asia is the biggest continent. What is the continent that is very cold? When we go to that place, it's very cold. The continent that has a very cold or is very cold. Do you know
Yes.
what continent is that?
Is the
Starts with letter A. It is the in the lowest part of the earth. It is
I
where
think
we
is Antarctica.
okay again. Let's say
Antarctica.
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 Very good. So it's Antarctica. It is where the weather is very cold because the sun cannot reach Antarctica because it is below the earth. That is why there is no sun. There is no sun in Antarctica. Okay, so that's it. So let's have another subject. So again, when we say geography, we are talking about Earth itself. Okay, and next, oh, let's go back. This one. What subject is this?
His history.
Okay, very good. It's history. So when we say history, wow, what do we mean by history?
History is the time past time.
Very good. When we say history, we mostly talk about past time because this subject is about past events or people or and people. Like for example, actually in our places, because you live in Vietnam, so you have a different history in the Philippines. So we all have our own history in each of our country. So do you like the subject history?
Yes.
Yes. And how was it?
Mm.
What do you learn?
Little, like little.
A little. You like it little. Why do you like it just little?
Because it's very hard.
It's very hard.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very hard, especially there are a lot of things that happened in the past, and we need to like memorize it. Do you have a history subject before? Do you have
Mm.
a history subject?
Yes.
Yes. So in history, so you need to read a lot of books, especially the events that happened before. You need to memorize all of it, especially the dates. Do you memorize the dates in the history? The specific dates. Like for example,
Mm.
when did your hero died? So we we mostly talk about dates. Yeah.
Yes.
So it will
Teacher,
yes.
wait me to drink water.
Okay, sure, sure. Go. Drink your water.
Okay, teacher.
Very fast, huh? Have you already done drinking? You can drink. It's
I
okay.
have a bottle of
You have
water
you have a
in
bottle.
my room.
Oh, it's okay. You can drink now. Okay, so that's it. So we talk about history, past events, and people. Okay, and so next, let's proceed to our next subject. Oh no. What subject is this, Kwa?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Very good. Nice pronunciation. So when we say chemistry, are you familiar with chemistry?
What
Are you familiar or do you have any idea what is chemistry?
is the subject we can put this to this and make a new?
Yes, very good. Because as we can see here, so there are a lot of component. There are a lot of substances, liquid substances. So we mostly do chemistry in the laboratory. So we do experiments, especially this is a subject where we do experiments to know about substances and how they change if we mix each other. So that is chemistry. So in this subject particularly, we learn about the table of elements. Do you know this one? Table of elements.
Yes, it's
Yes.
on the picture.
Yes. Do you memorize it? Do you know each elements in the table of elements?
Yes,
Okay, let me ask you.
table element is
What?
on the pictures. Is element on the table.
Yes. And let me ask you, what element is potassium? What element?
Is
You're looking, huh? What?
is bottle.
Huh? No. What element? When we say element, this is the what do you call that? The symbol itself. What is the symbol of, for example, let me show you some elements here. So we have hydrogen. What is hydrogen? Kwa. What is hydrogen? What do we mean by hydrogen?
Is
Hydrogen, is it fire or water? What is
is
hydrogen?
the air. The
Hmm?
air.
Is it air?
I think it's the air.
Really? Okay, let's check. Is it the air? Hmm, this one. Um, hmm, huh? This one. Okay, wow, very good. It's air or oxygen. So we call it oxygen in science or in chemistry. It is oxygen. So the symbol here is H. When we say H, it's hydrogen. So now, can you look for the symbol of the potassium? What is the symbol of the potassium?
I don't know. I don't study this now.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Why?
Next grade I will study this. But now
Ah,
I not study and I don't know.
you don't have
I
a
only know the iron,
you don't have
the
the
carbon dioxide and
ah
oxy, nitro and hydrogen.
okay. So you still don't have a chemistry subject?
Yes,
Ah,
I
that's
still
why.
study science.
That's why. But for this one, when we say this one is hydrogen. When we say this one, when we look at the table of elements, hydrogen is the name of the element. H is the symbol. So we have here potassium. The symbol of potassium is K. So that is how you um, interpret what's in the table of elements. This is the interpretation here. Yeah, this. It,
Oh,
yeah.
oh
So
my gosh.
you will understand it. You will understand it in if you have a chemistry because yeah, it's this subject is a very hard subject, and it also has aside from experiments, it
Very
also
hard to wrote learning.
yes, as in and aside from experiments, it
Oh
also
no.
it also have math. We use
Next grade is very bad.
what
Next grade is very bad.
next week? Huh?
Grade?
Red?
Yes, because it has chemist.
S- who is next red?
No, next my grade is very hard
Ah,
because
you
it's
will have chemistry next grade.
yes,
Oh, you can do it. I survived
uh,
it. I
it's
survived it.
very bad.
Ah, there are a lot of YouTube videos I watched before to understand chemistry more.
Yes,
It's
I
very
know
easy to
this.
understand.
I know
Yeah.
this, but I don't want to study chemist.
You need to study it. We need
No.
to survive this one. It's very hard. It's yeah, but you will learn to love it since you told earlier that you like science. You like science, right? Chemistry is part of science.
I don't love it.
You don't love it. Okay.
Very hard.
Yeah, it's very hard. Okay. So next, so we have another hard subject here. What subject
Physics.
is physics? Okay. So when we say chemistry, we study about experiments, substances. On the other hand, so physics, we study about forces, energy, or motions. So in this subject, we also have experiments. But for this one, we mostly focus on forces, energy, and motion. So these two subjects are um, a subject that is a science subject. Yeah. So we mostly learn gravity in physics. So yeah.
Yes.
You still don't have physics now?
Yeah. No, 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 no.
You still don't have, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
No, no, no. I can't do it.
No. Oh, you can do it. Okay, another science subject.
Biology.
Biology. Again, let's say biology.
Biology.
Okay. So when we say biology, this is also one of the science subject. But for
We learn about the animal on the and the
yes,
DNA virus.
very
Virus.
very good. So not only animals. In this subject, we also learn about plants. So especially all of the living things such as animals, plants, and all of the living things. We study it in biology. So this subject is somehow easy. It's somehow easy, but it still has a lot of informations that you need
Yes.
to
Very hard.
yeah, that you need to memorize because there are a lot of animals, there are a lot of plants. So we just,
And the small animal.
yes, small animals. And also, what are their scientific name? Scientific name of animals, plants. So we studied those all in biology. So, in general, biology is the study of life. So that's it. One subject that is also science. What do you like more, Kwa? Do you like learning about animals or do you like learning more about plants?
I
What
like learning about animal.
animal? Oh, same. I like learning about animals because animals, there are some animals that are still haven't yet studied. So it's interesting to study about those animals. And next, okay, so this one's very easy. Let me just go back. Okay, what
Oh,
is what is the next word?
great,
Grade. Okay, again, let's say grade, not grade. Grade.
great,
Okay, very good. So when we say grade, what is grade, Kwa?
great is uh school years.
Very good. School years. When we say grade, we talk about school level in school or what you have said, school years. Also, other meaning of grade is when we talk about score in exams. So that is grade. So it can be level in school or score in exams. Like for example, level in school, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, score in exam, 10 over 100. So that is. So that's this one is very easy. And what grade are you in right now, Kwa? What grade are you in?
I'm in I'm in grade 6.
Grade 6. Oh, okay. So next year you'll be grade 7. That's why you will have chemistry.
No, 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 no. I don't have chemistry.
Oh, you said that
Grade
next.
8.
It.
Now I'm study finish grade 6 and I am grade 7 and next year I'm grade 8.
Oh, you're in grade 7 right now. Huh?
No, no.
I'm quite confused.
Teacher,
Yes,
do you like science?
science. Me, I like science.
Yes.
Uh, I only like the psychology side of science. Psychology. You know
When you
psychology.
was a student, do
Mm.
you study good at the uh, are you study good?
Me,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, somehow. I graduated. I have an honor. I am a magna cum laude. You know this one, magna cum laude
Yes.
in college. Yeah, I graduated
I don't
with
want
that.
to study chemistry, science,
You can
um,
do, you can do it.
biology, and physics.
You can do it. It's part of our
No, no, no,
life.
no, I can't do it.
What
No,
what
no.
okay, let me ask you. What course would you like to take or what program? What course or program would you like to take in college? Because it depends. It depends on in college if you'll be having a subject chemistry, physics, or biology. What what major? What major will you take in college? You still haven't decided? You're still not decided.
What?
What major? You still don't know? Like for example,
Yes.
engineering, architecture. You still don't know how what you will take in college? Really?
No.
Mm? Because the subjects that you will take in college depends on what major you will choose. So my major in college is psychology. So most of our subjects are about psychology.
Ecology is very hard to.
Oh, it's very easy. No, it's very easy.
Yeah,
Promise. It's very easy.
I think it's not easy because I not study it.
Yeah. But when you study it, it's very easy. There are just a lot of knowledge or concepts. How about you? What would you like to study in college? Do you want to be a doctor?
I want to be a international student.
Yes. What kind of student? Because in college, you will be choosing your major.
Hmm.
Do you want to be an engineering student, architecture student,
Uh,
or you're still not yet decided?
uh,
Like this, let me show you.
math
Huh?
or English student.
Oh, you want to be a English,
English.
oh, major in English.
Yes,
Let me check.
because I'm good at math and English now.
Oh, so you want to be a teacher?
No, I want
Huh?
to be a student, and
In the
I
future, yes, in the future you will be a
I
student.
will be a IT in a center.
IT, IT, this one.
And when I have money, I will live in a rich life.
Country. Wow. So you want to be an in for IT like this? IT, information technology.
Mm,
IT? Am I correct?
Uh, is uh,
IT.
uh is teaching assistant.
A teaching assistant?
Yes,
IT? Huh?
TI.
TI?
Yes, I mistake TI
Mm. Teaching, teaching as.
assistant.
So I think you want to be a teacher in the future
No,
because those people who majors in English, they are mostly teachers. Yeah.
be a teacher is very bad
Hmm?
because he's very tired.
Yeah, it's very tiring because you
We
are
need to teach
speaking.
student, and if the student is very bad and he is not like to study, we
Yeah,
very hard to teach he.
yeah, that's so true, huh? That's so true.
But you are lucky
Why? Why am I lucky?
because you don't meet a student,
Ah, you, d-
bad bad student.
I also have a bad student, especially those children, the little children. They are
Yes.
very they are very playful and it's very tiring. But yeah, since it's my job. Okay, so I think so this one.
What do
So
you not go into Vietnam and do in a center to teach
ah
English is very much money.
actually I don't really want to teach. This is just my part-time job. But since I will be getting my licensure examination on August, so I might pursue my psychology degree. Yeah, so I will.
When I reach, I will talk with Donald Trump and be the
Oh, wow.
president of America, and I
Wow.
get a lot of money.
Yeah, that's so
So,
good. That's so good. But don't get a lot of money because it's the money of the people. So you need to take care of it. You need
but
to
when
be
I have a
responsible.
lot of money, I will share with my friends
Yes.
and the relative and my family.
Yes, that's so nice. So share it.
and I will share money for the people in it.
Yes, wow, that's so nice. That's so
So
good.
I will be a um, good president.
Yes, that's so nice. So that is actually one of the main reason that those people in politics needs to have in their mind, because most of the people who runs in the politics, they become greedy in money. That is why, so they corrupt it. Do you know the meaning of corrupt and greedy?
Uh,
Okay, when we say greedy, so these are the people who is selfish. When we say corrupt
yes,
corrupt
yes, I know,
is
I know.
corrupt, so they corrupt people or people's money. and that's
Yes,
and that's why you don't copy them. If you want to be a president in the future, don't don't be so greedy with the money. Okay, because
yes.
yes, that's so good, that's so nice.
But I have a rich life, and
Yes,
I
because you
can do what I want.
yes, because you deserve it. You deserve it. Okay, so that's so good. That's so nice. Wow, that
Yes.
you
Nice dream.
oh, you can do it. You just need to study
But
harder.
but I can uh talking with Donald Trump to be a
Yeah.
president.
Yes.
I will give he some money.
You will give the people some money.
I will give the president Donald Trump some money and say with him, please give me the
The
give
vote.
yes,
Oh,
and I will
your
give you some money.
your vote. That is bad. Vote buying is bad. Because when you are running for presidency, you need to be pure, or the people needs to know that you are kind. You don't
Yes,
vote,
I'm kind.
you don't buy your votes. Okay. So I think so it's already the end of our time, Kwa. So we will just continue this lesson on Thursday. So thank you very much for sharing a lot of
Bye,
things in our
teacher.
lesson. And goodbye. You can now
Goodbye.
sleep. It's already 10:30.
I
Sleep
will
now, sleep.
sleep. I will sleep to meet Donald Trump.
You like Donald Trump? Donald Trump is a corrupt.
No,
No.
but I